Hello guys, welcome in this video. Today in this video I will show you how to multiply two numbers with the use of registers in assembly language. In my previous videos I also show you how to subtract numbers, how to addition numbers, and now in this video I am going to show you how to multiply two numbers with the help of variables. So first of all we have to initialize variables. Variable, its data type d word and its value, and then second variable 1, data type d word and its value 7. So now we have to move these two variables in registers. First register is a cumulative register we will use, and second register is base register. So let's continue. First of all, move eax comma variable. It will move variable value to eax. Then move ebx comma variable 1. So now these two variables value have been moved to registers. Here we need ebx, not edx. So now perform multiplication process. We use keyword mul ebx, second register. Always we use second register in multiplication. Then call writeInt to display it on screen. So let's go for it. At debugging, you can also press F5 or go to debug menu and then click on start debugging. So let's wait for it. So now our program has been built successfully. You can see its output value 42. If we change here values, that is I am going for 9 and then go for debugging, start debugging, and now check its result again. So here you can see its result 54. So that was our today video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.